Hello everyone, it's Patty again. We are here on Wednesday. It's the middle of Unit 3 already. Can you believe it? And we're talking about explanatory synthesis today. There are a few things I wanted to point out. Under your Unit 3 tab, you will see a reading on the explanatory synthesis that goes from Drew University. That's actually a really good reading to help you get a line on what we're doing. There are also some guiding questions that you want to look at, and they will help keep you on track. As it says there with your explanatory synthesis, these are excellent questions for you to answer. This is how to write an outline, which is another important thing to keep in mind. But back to the synthesis, Drew University's write-up shows the basics. And this is a paper, this is a sample explanatory synthesis. It's an actual paper that you can read. Keep in mind, as it says here, the example uses MLA format, so be sure to pay attention to the content only. What you are doing this week is you are going to be writing an introduction, an outline of your paper, and a conclusion. You are also going to be writing out your thesis statement. We learned about thesis statements in English 110, so I'm assuming you have a good handle on that. If you don't, obviously, feel free to email me. Like always, I am happy to help you out. The reason we're doing this is listen to me. The reason we're doing it in this way is to get you an idea of where you want to go with your paper. Organizing your thoughts is important to do. It's important to do actually before you even do your paper. This becomes especially important when we get into some of the longer papers as we go forward. I don't think we're doing anything too long in this unit, but as we go along, you will probably end up writing a lot longer papers. Explanatory synthesis. It is what it says it is. You're going to take information, you are going to read it, you're going to pull the thesis statements out of, and the themes, out of whatever your reading is, take some notes on those. Then you are going to briefly summarize, about 15% of your paper maybe on the summary, briefly summarize all three of those works, and then synthesize them, bring the information in them together. They may all agree, which is great. They may disagree, which is also great. It all depends on the tactic you choose to use for your thesis statement. You're going to use the information and your thesis statement. The thesis statement will help explain, this is where explanatory comes from, what you think about the information itself. It's a real quick note. Hopefully that clears some things up for you. If not, email me. I am always available, and hopefully this helped, I guess, is what I'm hoping for. So I'm going to sign off now because I want to keep these things brief, but definitely give me feedback. Under the Ask the Professor questions in the discussion forum, feel free to ask me things there. Feel free to email me personally, whatever it is you need to do. Have an awesome Wednesday, and I will talk with you later.